Bonjour à tous, this is Anushka Man and welcome back to French One Stop. So in the previous videos, we learned how to write and pronounce the numbers from 0 to 50. So now we are going to continue and we are going to learn the numbers from 51 to 100. I hope you have watched the previous videos. If you watch those videos, then learning the numbers from 51 to 100 will be a very easy task for you. So I would highly recommend checking out those videos. The links are also mentioned in the description box. So let us start from 51. As we recall from the previous video, 50 was cinquante. Cinquante. As I taught you, all the numbers are written in the form, for example, 51 will be written as 50 and 1, and the rest of the numbers will be written as 52, 53 and so on. So let's see how it goes. 50 is cinquante, so 51 is cinquante et un, cinquante-deux, cinquante-trois, cinquante-quatre, cinquante-six, 57, 58, 59, soixante. Soixante is 60. So 61 onwards we'll write soixante et un, soixante-deux, soixante-trois, soixante-quatre, soixante-cinq, soixante-six, soixante-sept, soixante-huit, 69. Now there is some exception over here. 70 doesn't have a different name of its own. To write 70, we write 60 and 10 because 70 equals to 60 plus 10. So we write it as 60 and 10. 60 is soixante and 10 is dix. So we write 70 as soixante-dix. Soixante-dix. Now 71 onwards, we are going to continue this series of soixante itself. How? Now 71 is 60 and 11. So we write soixante-onze, soixante-douze, soixante-treize, soixante-quatorze, soixante-quinze, soixante-seize, soixante-dix-sept, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-neuf. And then 80 is 80. 80 is 80. Now easy way of remembering 80 is, now what is 80? 80 is 20 multiplied by 4. Now for those of you who are a little weak in maths, you might consider mugging it up a little. It will be very easy for you to learn as well. So it is 20 into 4. 4 times 20 is 80. So we write 80. 4 is 4 and 20 is 1. So 80 is 80. So 81 onwards, how do we write? 81, 82, 83, 84 and so on. And now again 90 is written in the form of 80. 90 is 80 and 10. So we write it as 80. Just like the same way as we did for 70, for 90 as well, we write 80. Then from 91 onwards, we write again 80, 11, 80, 12 and so on. For example, so 91 onwards we say 91, 92, 93, 94 and so on. 97, 98, 99 and then 100 is called 100. 100 is called 100. So as we see, we can divide the numbers in 3 groups particularly. So 1 to 20, the numbers are completely different. All of them are completely different. So it's very important that you learn those. Then from 21 to 60, all we do is, like for 20, we write the numbers as 21, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24. Similarly for 30, in the 30s, we write 31, 32. Then for 40, that is 40, we write 41, 42, 43, cinquante for the 50s line, soixante for the 60s line. But for 70, we follow the 60, soixante itself, 60 and 10, 60 and 11. Then 80 is 80. Then for 90, we again follow the 80s line, that is 80, 11, 80, 11, 80, 12 and so on. So the only exceptions are 70 and 90, for which we follow the name of the previous series. That is, for 70 we follow soixante series, and for 90 we follow the 80s, that is 80 series. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you were able to understand how to spell and pronounce the numbers from 51 to 100. Now your assignment for today is that you're going to write and learn how to spell and pronounce all the numbers from 0 to 100. Make sure you practice them regularly. So see you in the next part. Till then, au revoir.